We all know that Elon and Tesla will be manufacturing a Tesla Model 2, a smaller version of the Tesla Model 3. But here are 5 of the most expected surprises we can see with the Tesla Model 2 when it's unveiled. 1. Strategic shift, a game of numbers. Tesla's recent revelation to Wall Street about its anticipated slower growth this year has set the stage for a surprising twist. Morningstar analyst Seth Goldstein highlighted the crucial need for an affordable vehicle to sustain Tesla's rapid delivery growth. While the company has excelled in luxury and entry-level luxury markets, the unexpected awaits as it ventures into the lower-end market. 2. Stock shock, a roller coaster ride for investors. The market's apprehension towards Tesla's 2024 guidance and broader concerns about EV demand have taken a toll on its shares, plunging 27% this year. In stark contrast, the S&P 500 index has enjoyed gains. The suspense surrounding Tesla's next-generation EV, the Model 2, adds a layer of unpredictability to the market dynamics. 3. Pricing prowess, the game changer at $25,000. The veil of secrecy surrounding the cost of the Model 2 heightens the anticipation. Analysts speculate that the new EV might hover around $25,000, emphasizing the need to stay under the $30,000 mark. As the Model 3, initially planned as a mass-market vehicle at $30,000, now starts at $39,000, Tesla's attempt to tap into the lower-end market is a strategic move that might reshape the industry's pricing landscape. Or production puzzles, Musk's bold timeline gamble. Elon Musk's bold claim of being very far along with the next-generation vehicle, scheduled for production in the second half of 2025, raises eyebrows. The manufacturing kickoff in Texas with a potential Mexican factory on the horizon is ambitious. Skepticism looms as analysts question Tesla's historical optimism on timelines, hinting that high-volume availability of the Model 2 may only materialize well into 2026. 5. Revolutionary revelation, the next-gen platform's secret weapon. Amidst the intrigue, Tesla has confirmed a next-generation platform shrouded in secrecy. Musk's recent comments on the revolutionary manufacturing system have piqued curiosity. While avoiding specifics, he hinted at a system more advanced than any other in the automotive world. As the automotive giant gears up for a paradigm shift, the significance of Tesla's manufacturing technology could be the ultimate game changer in the electric vehicle landscape. Let us know what you would like to see in the Tesla Model 2 vehicle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.